Well, this is part 2 of the hole repair in Herb, or the step. The repair panel arrived, and it's not big enough basically. I think for most repairs it probably would be good enough, but what it does, it sits across there. I think that's how it goes. But one, it's not long enough. Let's have a look at it the other way around. Sorry, I'm trying to do something around it. Yeah, I think it's supposed to go like that. It's supposed to fit like that. But you can see the top edge of the sill is a bit rough. You normally go over the top like that, but then it's not long enough that end. So what I shall do is I shall use bits of this to repair this section here. I should probably cut a small piece out and then weld it in there. Yeah, I might do that. Cut this section out and spot weld that in there. Or that way. I don't know yet. Use a bit of it anyway. And probably spot weld it across here and down into that gap as a guess, but it's not big enough to do this job. This looks worse than what it actually is, because this is the inner sill, and I don't know if you can notice there, it's been had a sheet put on the back. So this is the remains of the inner sill, which has been welded in, a new inner sill. This is solid, and it hasn't rotted out at the bottom along there, so that's alright. And hopefully the second panel will come soon. The first smaller repair panel come from Custom Campers UK, and because I've got such a big hole, it's not big enough to do the job. This is the new repair panel, or the second repair panel, which looks much better. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark it up, because this is actually bigger than what I need, which is good. And it's from Coastal Motorhomes, telephone number 01202 978 554, and that's where this panel's from. This shows you the repair panel in place. But as I say, I don't need all of it, because the bottom part, the sill, is okay. So I'm going to cut it down to about there, which will give me a nice welding section, and hopefully it will go in alright. What I've done is, obviously I cut that metal panel down, and I've pre-drilled these holes in the top plate, and I'm spot welding it through the holes I've drilled into this lip, because the original was spot welded along here. And when I've done that, I shall knock this down so it's a better fit, weld that one, and then I might end up spot welding this bottom bit. I don't know yet, but it's coming on. Well, that's it so far, and I've spot welded it the best I can, and what I'll do, I shall go around that edge there and that edge there, but I think that's fiberglass there, somebody repaired it, and I shall go along here as well, and then this will get filled and brought up to the same level as the other part of the sill. I think that's solid enough. Yeah, pleased with that.